really like the look of boxwood, and I have a few, but I've always been so scared to prune it, but I really like the way it looks in a ball. So I'm going to prune this one for the first time ever. Okay, so here it is. Okay, not so bad. I just want it to be a ball. Yay. I hate this. Look at these cute little flowers, and I have to cut them off in order to shape it like a ball. These are leaf buds. Looks pretty good so far. Pretty good. I'd say it looks like a ball. If you know me, you know that I like to prune things very close up and detailed. And when you do this, it leaves cut leaves like that and stems, so not ideal. So I'm just going through and cutting off these extra little stems if it doesn't mess with the shape. That's sticking out a little too much. I think it's pretty good for my first time. And now for that one.